Hello, this is Dr. Randy McCracken, chiropractor, author, creator, Back to Health Naturally. I practice in Lincoln, Nebraska, and yes, that's my real name. I'd like to welcome you to my office. We're sitting in their consultation room as if I was talking to you as a new patient. Today's health topic are your healthcare choices. Often information is withheld from you when you're seeking medical care. You're only told you can take a drug, maybe try physical therapy. If that doesn't work, possibly surgery, or maybe you're told just you have to live with it. Chiropractic should be your first choice. You know, if you were living during 1918, you'd know more about chiropractic than you would today. Why? Because back then there was a flu epidemic that killed approximately 50 million people. 500,000 of those were Americans. Interestingly enough, in cities and towns with chiropractors, more lives were saved than with standard medical care. So just think about that. So why should you come to my office? I've been able to succeed where other methods have failed. You're treated on a personal basis. You're not herded into a treatment room all at the same time, and you're not given the same cookie-cutter approach. Now, my office I consider more like Misty's restaurant here in Lincoln than McDonald's. We treat health problems ranging from car accidents to lifting injuries and everything in between. I provide Lincoln's only continuous passive motion therapy tables, as I've talked about in my previous video on whiplash. The main reason is this can avoid you becoming a medical statistic in which 88% of the people still had pain 10 years after a car accident. I'm able to provide the fastest form of pain relief with low-level laser. I was the first in Lincoln to obtain the Q1000 laser system, which was FDA approved recently for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis in your hand. It's an amazing healing light. The main benefit is there's no side effects. I've undergone further training using specialized equipment, providing an adjustment with distraction, a process I've used since 1981. Now, this is not to be confused with spinal decompression, which is not a spinal adjustment. It's considered experimental, and it's not covered by insurance companies. I've been able to have success where other methods have failed, even when surgery is recommended. So I always suggest you seek a second opinion before you have back surgery. And remember, the only licensed professionals to render adjustments are chiropractors and osteopaths. Now, these were just a few benefits of coming to my office. You know, I've been helping patients since 1976. With my wife, I helped raise 4 children without shots or medications while they were living at home, and I'd like to offer the same to you and your family. For a limited time, I'd like to offer you a 15-minute initial consultation at no charge. But you must call me today and make an appointment. So my number is 421-2277, or you can contact me at drmc@windstream.net for more information on how to receive a free health newsletter on a monthly basis. So this is Dr. Randy McCracken saying goodbye for now. Until we meet again, live longer, healthier, and happier with chiropractic.